guys, I am back with another video for you, and today I was asked to do another talk through explaining tutorial. I'm sorry that I've uploaded some get ready with me's that are fast non-talking videos. I enjoy watching them. I wanted to give them to you guys and show you they're more just for entertainment purposes only, just to tell you guys, but I do enjoy doing talk throughs, so I'm excited to show y'all this look and how I recreated this. I love this look, and I just love a rose gold glam looking look, and I wanted to share it with y'all and do another talk through for y'all because I know those are wanted. So if you guys want to know how I recreated this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to just do one eye, and then we're going to do the other eye off camera just to save you guys some watching time because it's just all about the same stuff. So for this eye look, I am using the Naked 3 palette, and then I am going to be using, where'd it go? There it is. This Stila liquid glitter, and this is in rose gold retro. I'm obsessed with this. I want all the colors. This is so amazing. This is the perfect rose gold I've ever found. Like, I've been looking for a color like this, and that I found it, I'm excited. So for the crease of my lid, I'm just using this small little crease fluffy brush by Morphe, and then I'm going to go in with Limit. I'm going to first focus this on my crease right here, and then I'm going to blend it upwards as product is not on my brush as much, and blend. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I find the right coverage I want, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to use this Crease Definer by Beauty Strokes brush, and I am going to go in with Nooner. I almost thought it was Nooner right here, and just more focuses on my inner crease. So you just focus it in here. You don't want to blend it out. You're just going to define your eye shape pretty much. And then I'm going to look up and do this. And I'm going to focus this on my inner V, and I like to go back and forth and then blend it. And then I kind of blend it out this way. And don't worry about it being over there, it's fine. And just keep doing this until you are satisfied with what you have. But I am going to darken that side up, using the same brush, and I'm going to go in with Factory. Where is it? It's right here. This one, and just kind of darken it up. Go back and forth, and blend. This is sparkly, so it's fine. So, because it's on the lid, but it's like a matte metallic almost. So, and I'm almost swiping it almost. So not even blending, but I do blend at the same time. It's really hard to describe what I do. I barely know what I do. And then I'm going in with this shadow smudge. The Shadow Smudger by Beauty Strokes as well, and go with that. And first I want to go back into Limit and go under my eyes and just blend it. I'm blending as I'm packing it on. And then go in with Nooner and do the same thing, but I'm blending it only on the outer corners. Next is the fun part, and I'm going with the Stila liquid glitter. I'm pretty much doing a cut crease with it. So blend it, put it in the corner, and make a balloon shape thingy. I don't know how you explain a cut crease. pretty much follow the line of your lid. And I don't go all the way in, so I kind of like stop in the middle of my lid because I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. So just tap it and kind of like brush it in. It blends it right away. And I kind of put it, if you put it too close right here, it kind of gets on the bottom part, which is fine. I just grab my nail and just do it. And I'm gonna tack it on as much as I want. There you go. And that's how I do that for that. And I'm gonna let it dry. So as that's drying, I'm gonna go on the other side and finish this eye with the mascara and stuff, and not the mascara, but the eyeshadow, and I'll be back to do eyeliner and mascara. Okay, now that both eyes are completed, I am going to do my eyeliner, and today I am feeling to do a wing eyeliner with this look. Sometimes I don't, and sometimes I do. It just really depends on the day and how full glam I want to go with this look. And today I'm going to go full glam for y'all, so good riddance. But first I am going to curl my lashes because I don't want to mess up my eyeliner when I'm done. So for a wing, I like to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black, and this just helps me create a wing. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. So first, fill in the line. So sorry if I really can't explain this while I'm doing this. This is really hard. So make my natural eyeliner line. Do them both. Try to make it as thin as you can. As you can see, it's kind of wonky, but that's fine. It's gonna look fine when I'm done. So for this, I'm gonna make a really small line, point it out, and then connect it to my eyeliner, if that makes sense. And then fill in the wing. As you can see, I'm trying to focus. And that was that wing. That was awesome. I never do it that fast. I don't know why, but I can do it like perfect on that side, but I can't do it on this side. So to fix up this liner, because I don't like how it looks, just like how it is, I'm going to get this flat brush by Beauty Strokes and the Line and Define. And then I'm getting my Tarte Shape Tape, kind of getting a little at the tip of it. And then run my fingers. Repeating to do this, so it just makes it look like a better wing. If that makes sense. And now that wing is pretty much cleared. cleaned up. There's like a spot here. There. And then just so it doesn't look so weird, I'm just kind of like using the brush that I used on my lower lash line and kind of like putting color there. Okay. And now that my eyeliner, my liquid liner is done, I'm gonna use my Tarte Man-Eater liner and doing my waterline. For mascara, I'm going to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is the waterproof one, and mascara on. So for mascara, I swoop up, get the front of the lashes, and I kind of blink down onto it, and then I go on the back to make sure it's getting thick. It's actually a pet peeve of mine when people don't put mascara on the back of their lashes. So that side is done. And then with the leftover before dipping, I'm just gonna look down. This is hard. And kind of like dab it on my lower lashes and then wiggle at the ends. Do the same. Alright, so that side is done, and now I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And then because my mascara can get a little bit clumpy, I'm going in with a dry mascara and kind of just going behind them and swooping up to get those clumps and separating my lashes, kind of like applying mascara. And it just kind of separates my lashes and makes them look better. And now to finish off this look, I'm going to do lipstick. So my favorite right now is Wink by Bare Minerals, and this is very hydrating on my lips, and it says it's matte, but I feel like it doesn't go fully matte on my lips. I don't know why, so I do have to reapply it constantly, but I love the color. I love how it feels, so yeah. Alright, and that's what the lipstick looks on. I like the nudie pink look to it, and I think it ties it all together. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and want to try it out for yourself. I do this pretty much every day, even though it's pretty much more of a glamour side look, but hey, why not do more glamour every day? Honestly, for me, I can do this in like 10 minutes actually, when I know it's crazy that this can happen in 10 minutes. If I'm not explaining things and just like taking my time, I can achieve this in 10 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look and want to try it out for yourself as well. Let me know, tweet me or Snapchat. Yeah, just tweet me those looks, and I would love to see you guys recreating this look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also hit the bell notifications to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll all be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?